Kai Lan is also called Chinese broccoli. Everything can be eaten in this vegetable. It is used a lot in the Chinese cooking. I show you how to simply stir-fry it with garlic. Here are the ingredients for 2 people. You can find the list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. Cut the Kai Lan into chunks. Peel the Kai Lan's foot. Remove the hard part. Cut it into chunks. Crush the garlic. Peel it. Chop it. Dilute half teaspoon of cornstarch with 1 tablespoon of water. Put 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan heated over high heat. When the oil is hot, add the chopped garlic. Stir for 10 seconds. Then add the Kai Lan. A good pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. Stir for 10 seconds. Then add 5 centiliters of water. Stir for 10 seconds. Put a lid. Cook for 1 minute 30 seconds. The Kai Lan should not be overcooked. It should remain crunchy. Stir briefly. Add the diluted cornstarch. Stir for 10 seconds. Then cut off the fire. It's ready. Serve with a bowl of rice. Bon appétit! Thank you for watching and sharing my recipe. Rendez-vous in my next homemade dish video.